Best luxury small car for 2025 to 2024 BMW 4 Series. As we approach 2025, the 2024 BMW 4 Series has been distinguished as the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade emphasizes the 4 Series' exceptional blend of style, cutting-edge technology, and dynamic performance, making it a standout choice in the competitive luxury compact market. Sleek design and premium interior. The 2024 BMW 4 Series captivates with its bold and elegant design. The car features a prominent kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and a low, aggressive stance that highlight its sporty character. The streamlined body and aerodynamic profile contribute to its high-performance aesthetics and road presence. Inside, the 4 Series boasts a luxurious and meticulously crafted cabin. Premium materials, such as leather upholstery and high-grade metal accents, create a sophisticated environment. The front seats are designed for optimal comfort and support, with multiple adjustments and available heating and cooling functions. The rear seats offer adequate space for passengers, making the 4 Series practical for both daily commutes and longer journeys. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 4 Series is equipped with the latest technology features aimed at enhancing convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch iDrive touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The system's intuitive interface provides easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional technological advancements include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that delivers customizable driving information. The 4 Series also offers an available Harman Kardon premium audio system, delivering a high-fidelity listening experience. Performance and handling. The 4 Series delivers a thrilling driving experience with its powerful engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 255 horsepower and 294 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking enhanced performance, the M440i xDrive variant boasts a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine with 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The 4 Series rear-wheel drive layout, along with its precise handling and adaptive suspension, ensures an engaging and dynamic driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a key focus in the 2024 4 Series, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW 4 Series stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect combination of stylish design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance. Its refined interior, cutting-edge features, and dynamic driving capabilities make it a top choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.